Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple origami rose. This is a lot simpler than it looks, and I think you're going to enjoy it. This will be the quick tutorial, so feel free to pause the video as you need. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a square sheet of paper. This one is 6 by 6 inch, and then we're going to fold it catty corner and crease that down. Then we'll open it up, rotate it, and crease it down on the other corners. We're going to open this, flip it over, and then fold it in half along the sides. Open this, rotate it, and fold it along the other side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick this up, and then we're going to fold it so that we have the mountain folds going corner to corner. And we're going to fold that in, lay that flat. We're going to take this first flap, and then we're going to line it up with the top corner and crease that down. We're going to do the same on the other side. Then we're going to take these top flaps, and we're going to fold them down. Just like this. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to open these up, and then we're going to fold them down so that they make squares. Just like that. Then we're going to flip this over. We're going to do the same on this side. Going to point that corner to the top, fold this one, and then we're going to fold these down. Open these up, squash fold those down. Okay, now we're going to take this upper part, that's a triangle, we're going to fold this down, crease that, lift it, and do the same on the other side. Then we're going to open this up, and then right inside these square boxes, you'll see a little triangle in there. We're going to hold these down on each side. Here, we're going to open this up in the center, using our finger to kind of guide the paper right to the corners, and then crease that down. Rotate it, do the same on this side. And crease that down. Now we will flip the paper over, stand up this triangle, rotate it to the side that opens, and we're going to lift this and then fold the bottom part down. Rotate it, do the same thing on this side. Fold that down. And this is what we should have. We're going to put this in one hand and just kind of cup it. We're going to take 4 fingers and then rotate it. Then we'll put it at the top of our hand, continue to rotate this, make this nice and small. Don't worry about going too far, because as you open up, it'll spread out. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take these sharp corners here, and then we're going to roll them back so that they're more flower-like. I'm going to use a quilling pin. You can use a pencil or a small stick. But what you want to do is just kind of roll these back. The smaller your stick, the more they will stay. If you use your finger, you just may have to roll it tighter. And that's fine, that'll work. But that's all there is to it. That is the simple origami rose. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on the like and subscribe. If you're looking for the video that's easier to follow along with, I did make a slow version of this so that it's a lot easier to follow along. Okay, well, I'll see you next time.